In this video, you will learn how to install Johnsonite resilient and rigid stair nosings. All Johnsonite products should be acclimated for at least 24 hours prior to installation. Before installing, make sure the substrate is smooth, clean, and dry. Basic installation tools are required for proper installation. Resilient stair nosings are manufactured in 12-foot lengths in various profiles and colors. They are adhered with 945 contact adhesive or power tape. Measure the step, then mark the stair nosing accordingly. Cut the nosing to size. Trace the stair nosing onto the step for proper adhesive placement. Brush 945 contact bond adhesive in between your reference lines on the step edge and the back of the stair nosing. Keep the adhesive back 1/2 inch from the angle bend on both the tread and riser portion of the nosing and the step. After the adhesive has properly dried, apply 930 epoxy caulking compound to the internal angle of the nosing. Install the nosing on the step and roll with a small hand roller. Resilient stair nosings can be installed with power tape. After stair nosings are cut to size, wipe down the back with denatured alcohol to remove any contaminants. Apply the tape to the bottom of the riser portion, allowing about a 1/2 inch space at the angle bend. Start the tape back from the angle bend on the tread portion to create a channel for the epoxy caulking compound. Roll the tape, turn the nosing over, and trim the tape. Apply 930 epoxy caulking compound to the stair nosing and remove a few inches of the release paper on both the tread and riser portion of the nosing. Position the nosing on the step and remove the release paper on the riser portion. Roll the riser portion of the nosing to secure the bond. Remove the release paper from the tread portion and roll with a small hand roller. Bronze and rigid stair nosings are made in 8-foot lengths in various profiles and colors. They are secured with 3/16 inch by 1¼ inch flathead masonry screws. Measure the step and mark the stair nosing accordingly. Using your reference mark, cut the nosing to size. Mark a 1-inch center line along the entire length of the nosing in the insert channel. Measure in 3 inches from one end of the nosing and mark the center line. Repeat the process on the other end of the nosing. Mark the center line every 18 inches across the length of the nosing. Using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drill a hole at each of your center line marks. Countersink the holes to allow the masonry screws to set flush with the nosing channel surface. Reposition the nosing onto the step and mark the hole locations onto the step edge. Remove the stair nosing and drill each hole marked on the step edge with a 5/32 inch drill bit. Vacuum the dust from the step and clear the holes. Apply 930 epoxy caulking compound to the nosing and press the nosing in place on the step edge. Secure the nosing with screws. Cut the vinyl inset to the same length as the stair nosing. Remove the release paper from the back of the insert and install it into the 2-inch channel. Then roll the insert strip with a small hand roller. Bronze nosing must be cut with a metal saw blade. By following the printed installation instructions and using this video as a guide, installation can be performed efficiently and professionally every time.